Hello, my dear students. I am Mr. Taramon Bormon, Assistant Teacher English, Atwari Model Pilot High School, Atwari Panchagod. Welcome to all my students to my class. Because during the time of Corona, we are staying at home. I myself also staying at home. Not celebrate, but actually to overcome this situation, pandemic situation, Corona. That's why this is the short investment to you. As I am Taramon Bormon, I try to deliver a class, English class. Today, I will teach you about conditionals. Class 9-10, subject English second paper, and I am Taramon Bormon. Okay, come to the class. Conditional. Conditional is a word. Actually, is Bengali meaning sharto or shartadin or shartaboli. But this conditional, according to English, it contains if. In a English sentence, if we start with if, suppose if, and then its total sentence, it has two parts. One part is a complex, both this is the complex sentence, one part with starting if, and then another part, another clause, it will be different sentences. Generally, suppose if we read properly, comma, we can just example, if we read properly, we can learn more. In this way, this is the belongs to first conditional. In this way, different conditional, generally we have mainly three conditionals. Now, I will discuss parts of or kinds of conditional, mainly three kinds. Number one, first or present conditional. Number two, second or past conditional. Number three, third or perfect conditional. These three kinds of conditional. Now we will learn about these three conditional in details. First conditional, you will write again. First conditional. First conditional, it has structure. The structure what? At first, if plus present simple present simple or present indefinite tense. That means E plus present simple plus comma, this comma plus present simple or future simple or future indefinite. This. Now we come an example. If you play well, comma, everybody knows you. If you play well, everybody knows you. This is the belongs to first conditional. I will write another example. If you play well, comma, everybody will know you. This. Now I have simple question to you. This example belongs to first conditional. If you play well, that means this is if, that means according to the conditional, if contains at first for all conditionals, then you play well. Please take care. You play well. This is the present simple. You know better. Okay? Another, everybody knows you. This belongs to which tense? Yes. This is also present. Present tense. That means present simple. Another, number 2, if you play well, comma, everybody will know you. In this sentence, again, you play well. This also present simple. Here, everybody will know you. This is future. This is future or future simple. Is it? Okay, today I will try to give you a new information about conditional, especially first conditional. First conditional has also at first if plus present simple plus comma plus present simple or future simple. That means these two belongs to the first conditional. It has another when if plus present simple, then without future, if plus present simple plus comma plus present simple, only this structure, this conditionals belongs to, it is sometimes called zero conditional, because it has only present here, if plus present, and another type if plus present. If future or present modal, then it is also called first conditional. So this is the information. Now come to second number, second conditional. Number 2, second conditional. second oblique past conditional. Very important thing. Second conditional or past conditional, again structure. Again if plus past simple, if plus past simple plus comma like this, plus subject, that means this is also second subject, subject plus will turn into would oblique would might plus V1 plus others. This is second conditional. If plus past simple plus comma plus subject plus would, could or might plus V1 plus others. Example, if you plate oil, comma, I will be same sentence, everybody would know you. This is belongs to second conditional. Last one, third conditional. Third conditional, sometimes it is called perfect conditional. Perfect conditional what? Here if plus past perfect tense, past perfect tense plus comma plus subject plus would, could, might plus have plus VPP, or it is called V3. Would, could, might plus have, might plus have. This. That means if we write it with third conditional at first, if plus past perfect tense plus comma plus subject plus would or could or might plus have plus VPP or V3 plus others. Now come to the example. If you had plate oil, everybody would have known you. This, that is according to structure. Here if, then this is the you had played, this is the past perfect tense, and another comma, and the clause is everybody would have plus V3 plus others. This. Okay, my dear students, this is the class according to our conditionals. Ultimately, you will little bit benefit you. Actually, I will tell you to come to my next class. Okay, thank you. Bye.